Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Flow. I'm happy you're here today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn English through a real-life conversation and story. Today's topic is helping my mother at home. Helping our family is an important part of daily life. Small acts of kindness make our home cleaner, happier, and more comfortable. Today, you will learn how to talk about helping your mother at home in simple English. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Home vocabulary. Before we begin our story, let's learn some useful words. Kitchen. Repeat. Kitchen. Laundry. Repeat. Laundry. Sweep. Repeat. Sweep. Clean. Repeat. Clean. Cook. Repeat. Cook. Dishes. Repeat. Dishes. Room. Repeat. Room. Help. Repeat. Help. Family. Repeat. Family. Chores. Repeat. Chores. Excellent. Now let's use these words in simple sentences. I help my mother every day. Repeat. I help my mother every day. I clean my room. Repeat. I clean my room. We work together. Repeat. We work together. Very good. Talking about helping at home. Now let's practice a simple conversation. Emma, do you help your mother at home? Daniel. Yes. I help her every day. Emma, what do you usually do? Daniel. I clean my room, wash the dishes, and water the plants. Emma. That's wonderful. Excellent. Practice time. Repeat after me. I like helping my family. Pause. I like helping my family. I clean my room. Pause. I clean my room. I help in the kitchen. Pause. I help in the kitchen. Helping others makes me happy. Pause. Helping others makes me happy. Excellent. Helping after school. Now let's continue. Friend. What do you do after school? Emma. I change my clothes and help my mother. Friend. How do you help her? Emma. I set the table, sweep the floor, and organize my books. Friend. Do you enjoy helping? Emma. Yes. Helping my mother makes me feel proud. Wonderful. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Olivia comes home from school at 4 o'clock. After washing her hands, she helps her mother in the kitchen. She washes vegetables, sets the table, and brings plates for dinner. Later, she cleans her room and waters the plants in the garden. Her mother thanks her for being helpful, and Olivia feels happy because they worked together. Now answer these questions. What does Olivia do after washing her hands? She helps her mother in the kitchen. What does she do before dinner? She washes vegetables and sets the table. What does Olivia do later? She cleans her room and waters the plants. How does Olivia feel? She feels happy and proud. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I help my mother every day. I wash the dishes. I clean my room. I enjoy helping my family. Helping at home is important. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about chores, use the present simple tense because you are describing your daily habits. For example, I sweep the floor. I wash the dishes. I help my mother. I clean my room. These simple sentences are useful in everyday English. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. Helping my family makes me happy. I enjoy doing household chores. I always try to be responsible. A clean home is a happy home. Small acts of kindness make a big difference. Fantastic work. Today, you learned useful home vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and talked about helping your mother at home in English. In Part 2, we will learn how to talk about cooking, cleaning, shopping, and sharing responsibilities with family members. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 2. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 1, we learned useful home vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and talked about helping our mother after school. Today, we will continue learning English through real-life conversations. You will learn how to talk about cooking, cleaning, shopping, and sharing household responsibilities with your family. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Helping in the kitchen. Many children enjoy helping in the kitchen. Listen carefully. I wash the vegetables. Repeat. I wash the vegetables. I help prepare dinner. Repeat. I help prepare dinner. I put the plates on the table. Repeat. I put the plates on the table. I enjoy cooking with my mother. Repeat. I enjoy cooking with my mother. Excellent. Conversation in the kitchen. Emma. What do you usually do in the kitchen? Daniel. I help my mother prepare dinner. Emma. How do you help? Daniel. I wash vegetables, cut fruit, and set the table. Emma. Do you enjoy cooking? Daniel. Yes. Cooking with my mother is fun. Wonderful. Practice time. Repeat after me. I help in the kitchen. Pause. I help in the kitchen. I wash the dishes. Pause. I wash the dishes. I set the table. Pause. I set the table. My family works together. Pause. My family works together. Very good. Helping with household chores. Friend. Do you help clean your house? Emma. Yes. I sweep the floor and dust the furniture. Friend. Do you organize your room? Emma. Yes. I make my bed and put my clothes in the closet. Friend. Does your mother appreciate your help? Emma. Yes. She always thanks me for helping. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Ryan enjoys helping his mother every evening. After finishing his homework, he cleans his bedroom and puts away his toys. Then he helps his mother prepare dinner. He washes the vegetables and carries the plates to the dining table. After dinner, Ryan washes the dishes and wipes the table clean. His mother smiles and tells him that he is becoming very responsible. Now answer these questions. What does Ryan do after finishing his homework? He cleans his bedroom and puts away his toys. How does he help with dinner? He washes the vegetables and carries the plates. What does Ryan do after dinner? He washes the dishes and wipes the table. What does his mother say? She says he is becoming very responsible. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I help my mother cook. I clean my room every day. I wash the dishes after dinner. I enjoy helping my family. Working together makes life easier. Very good. English learning tip. Use and to join two simple actions. For example, I wash the dishes and clean the table. I sweep the floor and make my bed. I help my mother and learn new skills. Joining ideas with and makes your English smoother and more natural. Practice this every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I am happy to help at home. My family works as a team. Helping others is a good habit. Small chores make a big difference. I enjoy spending time with my family. Fantastic work. Today you learned how to talk about cooking, cleaning, and helping with household chores in English. In part 3, we will practice longer conversations, talk about shopping, caring for the home, showing kindness to family members, and improve your listening and speaking skills through real-life situations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in part 3. I'm happy you're here again. In part 2, we learned how to talk about cooking, cleaning, and helping with household chores. Today, we will continue with longer conversations. You will learn how to talk about shopping, caring for the home, helping family members, and building good habits. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Let's begin. Going shopping. Sometimes helping at home also means helping with shopping. Listen to this conversation. Emma, do you go shopping with your mother? Daniel. Yes. I usually go with her on weekends. Emma, how do you help? Daniel. I carry the shopping bags and help choose fresh fruits and vegetables. Emma. That's very helpful. Daniel. My mother is always happy when I help. Excellent. Now repeat. I help carry the shopping bags. Pause. I help carry the shopping bags. I help choose vegetables. Pause. I help choose vegetables. I enjoy helping my family. Pause. I enjoy helping my family. Very good. Taking care of the house. Friend. How do you take care of your home? Emma. I keep my room clean every day. Friend. What else do you do? Emma. I water the plants, fold my clothes, and organize my study table. Friend. Why do you do these things? Emma. Because a clean home makes everyone feel comfortable. Wonderful. Showing kindness. Daniel, why do you like helping your mother? Emma, because she works hard every day for our family. Daniel, how do you make her happy? Emma, I help without waiting to be asked, and I always thank her for everything she does. Daniel, that is very kind. Emma, helping with love makes our family stronger. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Emily enjoys helping her mother every Saturday morning. First, she opens the windows to let fresh air into the house. Then she dusts the shelves and arranges the books neatly. After that, she helps her mother make a shopping list. They walk to the nearby market together and buy fruits, vegetables, milk, and bread. When they return home, Emily helps put everything in the right place. Her mother thanks her for being responsible and caring. Emily smiles because she knows that even small acts of kindness can make a big difference. Now answer these questions. What does Emily do first? She opens the windows. What does she do after dusting the shelves? She helps make a shopping list. Where do Emily and her mother go? They go to the nearby market. How does Emily feel at the end? She feels happy because she helped her mother. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I help my mother with shopping. I keep my room clean. I water the plants. I enjoy helping my family every day. Kindness begins at home. Very good. English learning tip. Use sequence words to describe your daily activities. For example, first, I clean my room. Then, I help my mother in the kitchen. After that, I water the plants. Finally, I relax with my family. These words make your English easier to understand and more natural. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I enjoy helping my family. I do my chores every day. Helping others is a good habit. My family works together with love. A happy home begins with kindness. Fantastic work. Today you practiced talking about shopping, taking care of your home, and helping your family using natural English. In Part 4, we will review everything with one complete story about helping your mother at home, practice more listening, and finish with a speaking challenge to help you confidently talk about your household chores in English. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 4. Congratulations! You have reached the final part of today's English listening practice. Today, you learned useful vocabulary, practiced real-life conversations, and improved your English through a simple story about helping your mother at home. Now, let's review everything with one complete story. Listen carefully. Try to understand every sentence. Then repeat the important expressions with me. Let's begin. Helping my mother at home. Hello, my name is Sophia. Today, I would like to tell you how I help my mother at home. My mother works very hard every day to take care of our family. She cooks delicious meals, keeps our home clean, and always helps everyone. I know she gets tired, so I try to help her whenever I can. Every afternoon, I come home from school and wash my hands. Then I change my clothes and put my school bag in my room. Before I relax, I ask my mother, "Can I help you with anything?" Sometimes she asks me to sweep the floor. Sometimes she asks me to wash the vegetables. Sometimes I help set the dining table before dinner. I enjoy doing these small jobs because they make our home cleaner and happier. After dinner, I help wash the dishes and wipe the table. Then I clean my room, make my bed, and organize my books for the next school day. On weekends, I help my mother with bigger chores. We go shopping together and buy fruits, vegetables, milk, and other groceries. When we return home, I help carry the shopping bags and put everything in the kitchen. Sometimes we water the plants together. Sometimes we clean the windows or organize the living room. While we work, we talk, laugh, and enjoy spending time together. Helping my mother has taught me many important lessons. I have learned to be responsible, kind, and thankful. I understand that every family member should help with household chores. When everyone works together, life becomes easier and happier. My mother always smiles and says, "Thank you for helping me." Her smile makes me feel proud. Even small acts of kindness can make a big difference. Helping my mother is not just a chore. It is a way to show my love and respect. That is why I always try to help at home. Listening questions. Now answer these questions. Why does Sophia help her mother? Because her mother works hard, and she wants to help and show her love. What does Sophia do before dinner? She sweeps the floor, washes vegetables, or sets the dining table. What does she do after dinner? She washes the dishes, wipes the table, and cleans her room. What does Sophia do on weekends? She goes shopping, carries the bags, waters the plants, and helps clean the house. What has helping her mother taught her? It has taught her to be responsible, kind, and thankful. Excellent work. Everyday English practice. Now repeat these useful sentences. I help my mother every day. I enjoy doing household chores. I keep my room clean. I help my family with love. Kindness begins at home. Fantastic. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in English. How do you help your mother at home? What household chores do you do every day? Do you help with cooking or cleaning? What is your favorite household chore? Why is helping your family important? Take your time. Speak slowly. Use complete sentences. The more you practice speaking, the more confident your English will become. English learning tip. When talking about household chores, use polite expressions. For example, can I help you? Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Let's work together. These expressions make your English sound friendly and respectful. Practice them every day. Final review. Today you learned how to talk about helping your mother at home, describe household chores, talk about cooking, cleaning, and shopping, express kindness and responsibility, use the present simple tense naturally, improve your English listening and speaking skills. Excellent work. You are improving your English step by step. Thank you so much for learning with Daily English Flow. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'll see you in our next English listening practice. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and never stop improving your English. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.